How to configure Impex Google TV. Select your preferred language. To set up, Google Home appears. Select Setup on TV instead. Click on Home to choose the TV mode. Select your Wi-Fi network from the drop-down menu on the right-hand side. Enter your Wi-Fi password and proceed. Wait while the TV connects to the network. Sign in using your email ID or mobile number. Enter your password and move on to the next page. Click Accept to agree to the terms of service. Press Accept again. On the next page, give permission to search across TV apps. Choose your preferred apps and services. Move on to confirm your selection. Select your region or country. Accept the network privacy policy. Press Skip on the remote and accessories pairing page. You can set this up later. Skip the tuner mode as well. Please wait while your Google TV is being set up. Select Go to Google TV at the bottom of the screen. Your Google TV is now successfully configured.